Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 question number 3 we are doing. Okay, now let's check it out the first part what the question is saying. In an AP given a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3 and an is equals to 50. Okay, find n means we have to find out the number of terms and the sum of that terms. Okay, so first of all we have to find it out n. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so we are having a is 5, a and we are having 50 plus n we have to find it out minus 1 multiplied by d, and the d is 3. So we will get 50 minus 5 is equals to n minus 1 3. We will get 45 is equals to n minus 1. We can send it out 3 to the right hand side. We will get 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 15. So we will get 15 is equals to n minus 1. If we will send it out 1 to the right hand side, it will become 15 plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 16. So n we will get 16. Okay, now we can put the value. Okay, that is sum. Okay, so Sn is equals to n upon 2. Okay, s upon 2 a plus l. So n, that is 16 upon 2, a, that is 5 plus l we are having, that is the last term, that is 50. Okay, so 2 8 just 16, we will get 8 multiplied by 55. So 55 multiplied by 8, 40, 44. So we will get 440 as answer. A is equals to 7 means we are having a 7. A 13 means number of terms is n, means n is equals to 13 we are having, and the last term is also we are having, that is l is equals to 35. Okay, means we have to find it out. D means the common difference and the sum of the 13 terms. Okay, 13 AP. So what we have to do, D. First of all we have to find it out D. So what we have to do, we have to put it a formula, that is an is equals to a plus 12d. Okay, how we have derived this particular formula? Okay, by an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so by this particular formula we derive this. Okay, so we can directly put it out this. Okay, how we have derived, I have already explained each and everything in the introduction part. Okay, so over here I can write it down, a is equals to 7, or means, or we can say a plus n is equals to 13 minus 1 d. So we will get a plus 12 multiplied by d. So we got this particular formula. Okay, so this we have already, I have already written. Okay, so this is how we got this particular formula. So now put out the value, that is an is equals to 35 we are having, plus a we are having 7, sorry, is equals to 7 we are having, plus 12, and d we have to find it out. So we can 35 minus 7 is equals to 12d. So it will become 5 and 28. Okay, 28 plus 7 will become 35 is equals to 12d. So we can write it down, d is equals to 28 upon 12. Okay, and we will get we can cut it out, 2 6 are 12 and 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are, and 2 3 are 6 and 2 7 are 14. So d is equals to, so we got d is equals to 7 upon 3. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find it out the sum of, okay, all the 13 AP. So we can S13 is equals to n upon 2 a plus l, a plus l. So S13 is equals to n we are having, the number of terms is 13 upon 2, a we are having, that is 7, and the last term is 35 we are having. Okay, so we will get 13 upon 2 multiplied by 42. So we will get 12 2 is a 4 2 1. So 13 multiplied by 21 we are having. Okay, so we can do it out, 13 multiplied by 21, 1 3 is a 3, 1 1 is a 1, 2 3 is 6, and 2 1 is a 2. So 273 is the answer. 273 is the answer. Okay, means A13 is 270, S13 is equals to 273. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it, and that is A 12 is equals to 37, D is equals to 3. Find out, we have to find it out A and the sum of the 12 terms. Okay, so 12 APs. So what we have to do, we have to find it out A first of all. So we know that A12 is equals to A plus 11D. Okay, by using this, so we will get A12 is equals to 37 is equals to A, we have to find it out, plus 11, and D we are having, that is 3. So we will get 37 is equals to A plus 33. So 37 minus 33 is equals to A. So we will get 4 is equals to A. So A is equals to 4. We will get A as 4. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find it out S12. So S12 is equals to n upon 2 A plus L. So n, the number of terms, is 12 upon 2. A we have find it out, that is 4, plus the last term is 37. So 6 we will get 6, and we will get multiplied by 41, and 6 1 just 6, and 6 4 just 24. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. A3 is equals to 15. S10 means the sum of number of terms, or we can say number of APs is 125 is given. We have to find it out D and A10. Okay, so means the last term of the AP. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to find it out D. Okay, and we don't have A as well. Okay, so what we can do, we can find it out from A3. We can find it out A3 is equals to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Okay, so by this we can find it out the values, because A3 we are having, that is 15 is equals to A plus 2D. Okay, because we don't have value of A and we don't know the value of D. Okay, by this we got first equation, because A3 we are having. Now we are having S10. Okay, means we are having the sum of terms. Okay, so we can write it down that S10 is equals to n upon 2 A plus L. Okay, plus, but we don't have the last term also. Okay, and we don't have A over here, so by we can write it down like 2A plus n minus 1D. We can also write it down in this particular manner. Okay, because once we will solve it out, we will get that, means that particular thing only. So we will write it down in this particular way. So we will get 125 is equals to, okay, n upon 2 will be there, means the number of terms we are having, that the number of terms is total 10 number of terms is there. So 10 upon 2, okay, 2A plus n minus 1 means we are having the number of terms, that is 10 minus 1. Okay, and D we will write it down in this particular manner. Okay, so we will get 125 is equals to 5 2A plus 9D. Okay, like this we will get. Okay, so we can bring it out 5 over here, so we will get 125 upon 5 is equals to 2A plus 9D. So 5 2 is 10 and 5 5 is 25. Okay, so we will get 25 is equals to 2A plus 9D. Okay, by this we got equation number 2. Okay, now by subtracting equation number 2 and 1, we can find it out whether we can find it out A or we can find it out D. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to multiply. We can find it out D over here, so we can multiply the equation number 1 by 2. So we will get 30 is equals to 2A plus 4D. That is equation number 3. Now we can subtract equation number 3 from 2. Sorry, okay, from 2 we can, from 3 we can subtract equation number 2. So we will get 25 is equals to 2A plus 9D. So minus we will get minus, we can cut it out, we will get 5 is equals to minus 5D. Okay, so we will get D is equals to minus 1. So we will get d is equals to minus 1. By this we got the value of d, okay, and that is d is equals to minus 1. Okay, so we can write it down over here. D is equals to minus 1 means the common difference we will got it. Okay, now we can put d in the equation number 1, okay, and we can solve it out. In equation number 1 we will put it out d. Okay, so 15 is equals to a plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. So we will get 15 is equals to a plus minus 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 2. So we will get 15 plus 2 is equals to a. So a is equals to 17. Now we also got a is equals to 17. Okay, so the common difference we will get, that is 17, that is minus 1, and d means the a, that is the first term, is 17. Now we got each and everything. Now we can find it out a10. Okay, so we can find it out a10, that is a10 is equals to a plus 9d. Okay, so a10 is equals to a we are having, that is 17 plus 9 we will get, and d is equals to minus 1. So we will get 17 minus 9 we will get. Okay, so we will get 7 plus 8. Okay, so a10 is equals to 8. So we got a10 is equals to 8 and d is equals to minus 1. I hope so you guys understood that how we have done. Okay, the questions are very easy, just you have to be very accurate while using the terms. And of d means now we are having the common difference, that is 5, and sum of the 9 APs is 75. We have to find it out a. Okay, and a9, okay, means the 9th term of this particular AP. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to find it out a. Okay, so we know that Sn we are having and d we are having. So by using Sn we can form the equation, that is Sn or S9 is equals to, okay, n upon 2. Okay, sum of 9 terms is equals to n upon 2 a plus l we are having. Okay, you can use this particular formula, but over here l we are not having, and we have to find it out a. Okay, so what we can do, instead of writing this, we can write it down 2a plus n minus 1d. By using this particular formula we can find it out. So now put the value. S9 is equals to 75, means 75 is equals to n is 9 upon 2 is equals to 2. A we have to find it out, plus 9 minus 1, and the common difference is 5. Okay, so 75 is equals to 9 upon 2. So we will get 2a plus 8 multiplied by 5. Okay, like this we will get 75 is equals to 9 upon 2 multiplied by 2a plus 40. Okay, so once we will open the bracket, there is a multiplication sign, you guys know, so we can directly divide it out and find out the value. Okay, so we will get 75 is equals to 9 upon, from 2 we can cut it out. Okay, so we will get 9 multiplied by 2 means a, or we can say in bracket a plus 20. Okay, once we will cut it out from here, we can cut 2 and 20. So we will get 75 is equals to 9a plus 180. So 75 minus 180 we will get is equals to 9a. So we will get 75 means 105 upon 9 is equals to a. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, minus sign will be there, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 5s are 15. So we will get a is equals to minus 35 upon 3. Okay, so we got the value of a, that is minus 35 upon 3. Okay, this is the value of a. Okay, now what we have to find it out, we have to find it out a9. So a9 is equals to a9 is equals to a plus 8d. Okay, now we are having a, so a9 is equals to a, what we are having, minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 multiplied by common difference we are having, that is 5. Okay, so A9 is equals to minus 35 upon 3 plus 5 8s are 40 minus 1 we will get. So we can take the LCM. So 3 minus equals to minus 35, okay, and plus 40 we will get. 3 4s are 12. So we will get, if we will subtract it, so we will get 120 minus 35, so we will get 5, okay, and we will get 85. So we will get 85 upon 3, okay, and this is A9. Okay, so A9 is equals to 85 upon 3. Okay, and this is the answer. I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. Common difference we are having, sum of n terms we are having, but we have to find it out n and an. To find it out n, what we have to do, the sum we are having, so we will use the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, we have to use this particular formula to find it out. Okay, the n terms. Okay, so Sn is equals to 90 is equals to, and we have to find it out, n upon 2 multiplied by a is given, that is 2, plus, and we have to find it out, minus 1, and common difference we are having 8. Okay, so we will send 2 to the right hand side, so we will get 180 is equals to n 4 plus, once we will open the bracket, we will get 8n minus 8. So once we will solve the bracket, so we will get 180 is equals to n 8n minus 4. Now once we will open the bracket, so we will multiply 8n by n, so we will get 180 is equals to 8n square minus 4n. Okay, so once I will send this 180 to the right hand side, we will get the quadratic equation. So we will get 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equals to 0. We can take 4 common over here, so we will get, once we will take 4 as common, so we will get 4n square, sorry, 2n square minus n minus, once I will divide 180 by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20, means we will get 45. Okay, so minus 45 is equals to 0. Okay, once I will send this 4 to the right hand side, it will become 0. So we will get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. So we will multiply, we will get 90. Okay, by using the splitting the middle term, we can find it out. Okay, so we will get 90, 10 multiplied by 9 will become 90, and 10 minus 9 will become 1, and we will get 1. So 2n square minus 10n minus 9n, plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. So we will get 2n as common, so we will get n minus 5 plus 9 as common, so n minus 5 we will get is equals to 0. So by using n minus 5 is equals to 0, we will get n is equals to 5, and 2n plus 9 is equals to 0, we will get n is equals to minus 9 upon 2. Okay, minus 9 upon 2. So we can say that n, the number of terms, cannot be in this particular form. So the number of term is 5, so means n is equals to 5. Okay, we will get n as 5. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find it out an. Okay, so we have to use the formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. By using this particular formula, we can find it out the value of an. So an, we have to find it out. A we are having, that is 2, plus n we are having, we have already got, that is 5 minus 1, and d is 8. Okay, so we will get 2 plus 4. 5 minus 1 will become 4, and 4 8 32. So an is equals to 34, and this is the answer. a first term we are having, okay, nth term we are having, that is 62. Sum of n terms we are having, we have to find it out the number of terms, and we have to find it out the common difference. Okay, over here we are having the last term, okay, and the sum of terms, we are having both the things. So by using the different formula we can find it out that Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus l, a plus l. By using this particular formula we can find it the Sn terms, okay, that is n terms. So Sn is equals to 210 is equals to n, we don't know, and we have to take it out, multiplied by 8 plus the last term we are having, that is 62. Okay, so 210 is equals to n upon 2 multiplied by 70. So 210 is equals to 35. So 35n we can write it down, and after that we can send it out 35 to the right hand side. So we can say n is equals to 210 upon 35. We can cut it by 5, or we can directly multiply it by 6. 6 5 to 30, 6 3 to 18 plus 21. Okay, so n is equals to 6, means the number of terms are there, that is 6. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find it out the common difference. Okay, so we can say an is equals to a n minus 1d. By using this particular formula we can find it out. Okay, so sorry, an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So an we are having, that is 62 is equals to a 8 plus n, we got it, that is 6 minus 1, and d we are having, sorry, we have to find it out. So we will get 62 is equals to 8 plus 5d. Okay, once we will send to the left hand side, it will become 62 minus 8 is equals to 5d. Okay, so 62 minus 8. Okay, so we will get 62 to 4, and we will get 54. Okay, is equals to 5d. D is equals to 54 upon 5. So we got a common difference, that is D, that is 54 upon 5, and n as 6. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. Having an means the nth terms we are having the common difference and the sum of terms we are having. Okay, all these things are given to us. We have to find it out, n and a. Okay, you can check it out that both n means the number of terms and the first AP is missing. So whatsoever formula we will use, we will miss both the things. So what we have to we have to make an equation first of all, then we can put that particular equation to the second one. Okay, and we will find it out something, whether we will get a or n. Then by putting that particular formula in the second one, we can find it out both the things. Okay, first of all we can do that. Okay, so if I will take Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus l, if I will use this particular formula, okay, so the numbers will already there in fraction, or we can say in the rational number. So we can use this particular one, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. By using this we can find it out the value. Okay, then we can make an equation, and then we can put to this one. So I will write it down this over here, and we will put the values. That is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. An we are having, that is 4 is equals to a, we have to find it out, plus n minus 1d we are having, that is 2. So 4 is equals to a plus 2n minus 2. Once we will send to the right hand side, we will get 6 is equals to a plus 2n. Okay, so we can find it out a, because we can hold this a and we can send this to n, so it will not become rational number. We can also find it out n also over here, but we will not make it rational number. Okay, to make the equation easier, so I will hold a is equals to 6 minus 2n. Okay, a is equals to 6 minus 2n. So we can put it down this equation in equation this one. Now let's put it. Sn is equals to n upon 2 a. Instead of a we can write it down 6 minus 2n, okay, plus l, the last term, that is 4. So we can say Sn is equals to, Sn we are having, that is minus 14, n upon 2 we can say, so it will become 6 plus 10 minus 2n. Okay, once I will multiply this to n upon 2 multiplied by 10, we will get 5n. Okay, so minus 14 is equals to 5n, and if I will multiply it by this one, so we will get n square. Okay, how? N minus 2 multiplied by minus 2n, 2 and 2 will be get cancelled, n multiplied by n square minus n square we will get. So we will make the equation positive, so we will send this to the right hand side, so we will get n square, okay, minus 5n minus 14 is equals to 0. Okay, so now by using the splitting the middle term, we have to find it out the value of n. Okay, so now we will use the splitting the middle term. So once we will take the LCM, we will get 2 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay, so we can say n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equals to 0. We can take n common, so we will get n minus 7. We will take plus 2 common, so we will get n minus 7. So n minus 7 is equals to 0, and we will get n plus 2 is equals to 0. So we will get n is equals to 7. We will get n is equals to minus 2. Okay, so the number of terms cannot be negative, so n we will get, that is 7. So we will get n is equals to 7. Okay, now by putting this n to this one, we can easily find it out. Okay, the value of a. Okay, now I'm just rubbing it out. Now we will put the value of n over here. A n we are having, that is 4. Okay, but we are putting in this one is equals to a, we have to find it out, plus n we got it, that is 7 minus 1. Okay, and d we are having, that is 2. So we will get 4 is equals to a plus, we will get 6 to the 12. Okay, we will send 12 to the left hand side, so we will get 4 minus 12 is equals to a, so minus 8 is equals to a. Okay, so we will get a is equals to minus 8. Okay, means the first term is minus 8. I hope so. Over here we are having a, and the number of terms we are having, and Sn we are having. Okay, that is sum of n terms is 192, and we have to find it out d. Okay, means we have to find it out the common difference. So we can use the formula, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. By using this particular formula, we can find it out. Sn we are having, that is 192 is equals to n we are having 8 upon 2. 2 multiplied by a is 3 plus n we are having, that is 8 minus 1, and d we have to find it out. So 2 1 is a 2, 2 4 is a 8, 192 is equals to 4, 3 2 is 6 plus 8d minus, or we can say 8 minus 7, 7d. We can write it down like this. Okay, so we can move to the left hand side, so we will get 192 upon 4 is equals to 6 plus 7d. We can divide it by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 8, 2 9 is 18, and 2 6 is 12, and 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. So we will get 48 is equals to 6 plus 7d. Okay, we can move to the left hand side we will get 42 is equals to 70, and once we will move to the left hand side we will get 70. So 42 divided by 7 is equals to D, and 6 sevens are 42, so we will get D is equals to 6. Means the common difference over here is 6, and this is the answer. Okay, that is we are having the last term, that is L we are having, that is 28 as the sum of n terms we are having, and the total, and there are total 9 terms over here is given. We have to find it out A. So by using the last terms we are having and the sum of the AP we are also having, so we can use Sn is equals to n upon 2 A plus L, because last term we are also having A, we have to find it out, and we are having an Sn we are having, so we can use this particular formula. So we will get 144 is equals to n, that is 9 upon 2 okay, and A we have to find it out, plus L, it's 28. Okay, now let's solve it out. We can send it out to the left hand side, so we will get 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2 is equals to 9A plus 28. We can open the bracket. So once we will open the bracket, we will get 288 is equals to 9A plus 8 9 just 72, 8 9 to just 9 to just 18, 18 plus 7, okay, 18 plus 7 we will get 7 5 and 25. Okay, so we will get 252. Once we will move to the left hand side, so it will get 288 minus 252 is equals to 9A. We will get 6, and 336 is equals to 9A. So A is equals to 36 upon 9, and 4 9 4 36, so we will get A is equals to 4. So we will get answer, that is A is equals to 4 is the answer. Okay, I hope so you guys understood.